In this video, I show you how to make $80 an hour watching video, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing with clear notification so you can be one of the first to use it. First of all, I want you to go to zoombox.com website. This website is completely free, safe and legal. As you can see, you can easily earn money by completing survey, watching movies and TV shows, and making offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on watching videos because that's what you already do every day and it pays you the most money for the least effort. So go ahead and click the option to watch TV. Now let me explain how this website works. First step, create a free account on this site. Second step, choose the channel you are interested in. After that, start watching TV shows and movies. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You can also watch out for more income by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's that easy. So make sure you watch this video until the end to understand probably how this website works as mentioned earlier. The first step is to create a free account on this website. To do this, go to the main page and enter your email address and create a password. And just click on sign up. You may also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, after logging into your Zoombox account, you can check how much you can earn on this website. You can see people making $200 to $500 and you could be next. These people all earn money by watching videos, completing survey or doing offers. The best part is that there are tons of videos available here and all of them are raised every day, which means there are endless opportunities for you to earn money just by watching videos. Click on watch on the left to start. After that, you will see these boxes with the words hideout, TV and lotably and them. If you hover over them, you will see the details of their offers. Next, click this button to start. You will then be redirected to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option to choose from food category or random movies. On the right side, you can see how many points you earn in the related devices. For example, if I choose food, I will be redirected to this website. In this section, you may create an account to watch videos. For this, you need to register for a free account. To do this, enter your email address, create a password, and just click register. After create an account, you will be shown this page where you can watch all the videos. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want now. If I click on this, for example, I am taken to another page where I have to watch at least a few seconds of video before I can earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how after dedicating your earnings you can watch as many videos as you like in different tabs at the same time. That way you can watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Therefore, you will be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking on the same video on the right. Another tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking on the video setting. In fact, we do this to save data. As a result, you can watch as many videos as possible and earn as much as possible at the same time. These bonus tips are quite effective and you can immediately use them to double, triple, or quadruple your earnings in one day on this website. Now, before we go any further, if you enjoy this video, I spent a lot of time and energy making it. I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe now. Now that you know how to earn money watching videos on Zoombox, I want to show you another way to earn money with this website, and that is by filling out survey. On the left side of your dashboard, you should see polls, which you should click on. Doing so will provide you with a list of companies that offer you simple survey to complete. The amount of survey that you get paid for varies from 80 cents to $5 or much more. Simply click on the company that will pay you the most money. After that, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account for the company of your choice and start taking any number of surveys.